And when it comes to job losses and pay cuts, research shows minorities have been hit the hardest. News 8's multicultural reporter Katira Winfrey explains how a local organization is trying to help.
COVID-19 has forced hospitality and food industries to cut jobs by the thousands, jobs often held by minorities. In just the first month, officials say Hoosiers were seriously feeling the impact. Now Employ Indy is working to get unemployed Hoosiers placed. Unemployment has hit Indiana hard. Thousands of businesses have closed shop and in turn leaving thousands unemployed in Indiana.
That first wave of dislocations primarily affected the hospitality and tourism industry. So starting the week ending March 21st, when we saw an uptick in unemployment insurance benefit claims.
The state isn't alone in that. Unemployment is a problem across the country with manufacturing, accommodations and food services, healthcare and social assistance jobs often held by minorities really feeling the impact.
There is a disproportionate number of those individuals who come from communities of color.
Data from the Pew Research Institute shows about the same. In just 1 month, the data shows dramatic spikes. Hispanics went from 49% reporting job losses and pay cuts to 61%. In that same time period, black people and white people saw nearly a 10% jump. When it comes to who has a suggested 3-month emergency fund, the data shows that roughly 70% of Hispanic and black people say they don't have one.
They're mirroring the national average, just as you mentioned.
Employ Indy is one local agency working to get a large volume of Hoosiers back to work. They are helping direct current skills to fit jobs that are currently looking to fill.
So we take that very seriously, and we're just aggregating data as we speak to ensure that our institution has a lens around equity for the work and the resources that we're providing.
For many people, unemployment insurance will run out in July, so officials say you really want to get started on your job search, but Employ Indy says you do not have to do it alone. You can find out more information on how to get help at wishtv.com. Reporting in Indianapolis, Katira Winfrey, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.